हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टिल लर्निंग विद भारती। तो आज हम करेंगे कंप्यूटर के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। शुरू करने से पहले प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर दे और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे। तो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन द इंस्ट्रक्शन एड ए बी द आंसर गेट्स स्टोर्ड इन बी, ए, बफर और सी। सो राइट आंसर इज बी ऑप्शन ए। In any instruction of the form add A, B, the answer gets stored in the A register. The format is add destination source. Next is what does MBR stands for? Main buffer register, memory buffer routine, main buffer routine, memory buffer register. So right answer is memory buffer register. MBR stands for memory buffer register. A memory buffer register or memory data register is the register in a computer's CPU that stores the data being transferred to and from the immediate access storage. ULSI stands for ultra large scale integration, under lower scale integration, ultra lower scale integration, under large scale integration. So right answer is ultra large scale integration. ULSI stands for ultra large scale integration and is a part of the 5th generation of computer. कौन सी जनरेशन में यूज होता है ULSI अल्ट्रा लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन? 5th जनरेशन में। कंप्यूटर जनरेशन का डिटेल में एक वीडियो बनी है, आप उसको प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर देख सकते हैं। इन दिस जनरेशन टाइम शेयरिंग, रियल टाइम नेटवर्क्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वॉज यूज्ड. फर्स्ट जनरेशन, सेकंड, 5th और 4th जनरेशन. सो राइट आंसर इज 4th जनरेशन. Time sharing, real-time networks, distributed operating systems was used in 4th generation. The 4th generation of computers is marked by the use of very large-scale integration (VLSI) circuits. In this generation, time sharing, real-time networks, distributed operating system was used. इसमें mainly क्या use होता था? VLSI, very large-scale integrated circuit, causing the CPU to step through a series of micro operations is called execution, runtime, sequencing or pipelining. So right answer is sequencing. Causing the CPU to step through a series of micro operations is called sequencing. Sequencing is the process of causing the CPU to step through a series of micro operations. Execution causes the performance of each micro operation. Next is the portion of the processor which contains the hardware required to fetch the operations is data path, processor, control or output unit. So right answer is data path. The data path contains the hardware required to fetch the operations. The control tells the data path what needs to be done. Dash is an emerging branch in computer science which interprets means and method of making computers think like human beings. Blockchain, VR, AI और cloud computing. So right answer is AI. AI यानी कि artificial intelligence is an emerging branch in computer science which interprets means and method of making computers think like human beings. What does PC stands for? Program changer, program counter, performance counter, performance changer. So right answer is program counter. Program counter contains the address of the next instruction which is to be fetched by the control unit. Batch processing was mainly used in this generation. First, second, third generation or 4th generation. So batch processing was mainly used in 1st generation. And in this generation, punched card, paper tape, magnetic tape, input and output devices were used. So फर्स्ट जनरेशन में जो है वो बैच प्रोसेसिंग यूज की जाती थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द पीरियड ऑफ डैश जनरेशन वाज 1952 टू 1964. फर्स्ट जनरेशन, सेकंड जनरेशन, 5th जनरेशन और 4th जनरेशन. सो राइट आंसर इज सेकंड जनरेशन. द पीरियड ऑफ सेकंड जनरेशन इज 1952 टू 1964 और फर्स्ट जनरेशन कब से कब तक थी? 1942 टू 1954. नेक्स्ट इज द फंक्शंस ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन एंड सीक्वेंसिंग आर परफॉर्म्ड बाय यूजिंग इनपुट सिग्नल्स, आउटपुट सिग्नल्स, कंट्रोल सिग्नल्स और CPU. So right answer is control signals. Sequencing followed by the process of execution is performed by the control signals. Sequencing is traversing each and every operation, whereas execution causes the performance of each operation. Next question is control unit acts as the central nervous system of the computer. ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है? सो राइट आंसर इज ट्रू. Control unit acts as the central nervous system of the computer, or CPU is the brain of the computer. The control unit is referred to as the central nervous system because it selects and interprets the instructions and coordinates execution. What does D in the D flip-flop stands for? Digital, direct, delay or durable? So right answer is delay. In the hardwired control unit, the delay element method uses D flip-flop, which causes a delay. Since in the delay element method, there must be a finite time gap between the two steps. So in D flip-flop, D stands for delay. HLL stands for high level language, high layman's language, high level lesson, high layman's lesson. So right answer is HLL stands for high level language, has language like Fortran, COBOL. HLL is not in machine language. It is converted to machine language for further processing. So HLL stands for high level language. Next is which of the following holds the last instruction fetched? PC, MAR, MBR or IR? So right answer is IR. The IR, which stands for the instruction register, contains the last instruction fetched.